Hi friends, in this video I am gonna show you how to refresh the download session in Internet Download Manager. This is the file I downloaded 76% in yesterday, and today I am resuming the download. The download has not started because the creation of security connection to the Apple server. The download session to the file is expired. So what we need to do is we have to refresh the download session for this file. Right click the file and here you can see the reference download address. Click reference download address. Okay. I downloaded file from the downloading the Xcode IDE from apple.com needs user login. So the download link is redirecting to the Apple sign in page instead of downloading the particular file. Okay, I'm gonna sign in to download the file again. Okay, go to sign in. Now we can notice the file is downloaded in the Chrome but not in the Internet Download Manager. I am cancelling this download and go back to the original link. Now we have user login session for apple.com in Chrome browser. Now we are going to transfer the download session from Chrome browser to Internet Download Manager. Right click the particular link and click download with IDM, and now you can see the link has been refreshed, and click resume. Now we can see the file is successfully started downloading from the last part. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.